So, let's begin. The Bhotia tribe, also known as the Bhotia or Bhotia people, have distinctive cultures and traditions. They are found in the Himalayan regions of India, Nepal, Bhutan and Tibet. Their culture often revolves around their environment and historical background, which includes trade, animal husbandry and agriculture. Bhotia people are known for their traditional clothing, including colorful woven textiles and their skill in woolen crafts. They have unique customs related to marriage, rituals and festivals, often influenced by their Buddhist or Hindu beliefs. Bhotia people have their own languages, often belonging to the Tibeto-Burman language family. These languages are an integral part of their cultural identity and help them maintain their distinct heritage. The language is Rang, and some words of their language are Ba, which means father, Na meaning mother, Poya meaning elder brother, and Pota meaning elder sister. The Bhotia people are known for their distinctive clothing. Both men and women often wear woolen attire suited for the cold mountainous climate. Colorful and intricately designed textiles are common with patterns representing different regions and clans. The traditional dress of males is called Ranga, the traditional dress of females is called Chungbala, and the white pagdi that a male wears is known as Byantha. Historically, the Bhotia people have been engaged in trade along the ancient Silk Route. They were skilled traders who facilitated the exchange of goods between the Indian subcontinent and Central Asia. In addition to trade, they are also involved in agriculture, animal husbandry, especially yak and sheep, and sometimes tourism-related activities. Bhotia culture is influenced by both Buddhism and Hinduism due to their geographical location. Many Bhotia communities practice a blend of these religions, often integrating their own indigenous beliefs as well. Religious festivals and rituals play a significant role in their lives. They worship Lord Shiva mainly. Bhotia festivals reflect their cultural diversity and religious practices. Festivals like Losar, Tibetan New Year, Sakela, celebrated by Bhotia communities in Nepal, and various harvest festivals are important occasions for social gatherings, dance, music, and feasting. This year, they will celebrate a special religious festival which is celebrated once in 12 years known as Kangdali. This festival is celebrated for safety of village. Are skilled artisans known for their woolen crafts and weaving. They create intricate patterns on textiles, carpets, and other items, often using natural dyes. These crafts showcase their creativity and cultural heritage. Bhotia architecture reflects the harsh mountain environment. Houses are designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, with flat roofs to allow for snow accumulation and sturdy construction materials. मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया मेरा दिल कहीं दूर. Bhotia communities often have a strong sense of social cohesion. They live in close-knit villages, and traditional community practices play a vital role in maintaining social harmony. Traditional Bhotia cuisine includes hearty dishes suited for the cold climate. They often consume dairy products, meat, and grains. Yak-based products like butter, cheese, and meat are common ingredients. In winters, they consume a special tea that is namkeen chai called marjia, which keeps their body warm. Music and dance are integral to Bhotia celebrations. Traditional instruments like flutes, drums, and strings instruments are used to create lively and rhythmic tunes. Overall, the Bhotia tribe's culture is a unique blend of their geographical surroundings, historical trade routes, religious influences, and their ability to adapt to the challenges of life in the Himalayas.